Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install and use LonelyScreen AirPlay to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the LonelyScreen website. You can find the official LonelyScreen download link in the description. Then go to Download section. Click on the Download for Windows button to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install LonelyScreen on your PC. It's a quick and easy process. Now that LonelyScreen is installed, go ahead and open the application. You'll see a window that says LonelyScreen AirPlay Receiver. Make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for LonelyScreen AirPlay to detect your device and mirror your screen properly. Also, make sure AirPlay and screen mirroring are enabled on your iPhone. Next, let's set up screen mirroring on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on screen mirroring and select LonelyScreen from the list of available devices. And that's it. Your iPhone screen is now mirrored to your PC using LonelyScreen AirPlay. You can watch videos, play games, and even present slides.